Meta and Elon Musk are teaming up to take down OpenAI. Yes, you heard that right. Mark Zuckerberg and Musk, two of the tech world's fiercest competitors, are putting aside their differences to challenge OpenAI's move to become a for-profit powerhouse. So why is this such a big deal? Because turning a non-profit AI organization into a profit-driven machine could create dangerous precedents for the entire tech industry. Meta has even urged the California Attorney General to intervene, signaling that this is more than just a business dispute. It's a battle for ethical future of AI. And this is a rare alliance between Musk and Zuckerberg. Normally they don't get along super well. So it might just change everything, and let's dive into this and take a look at it today. Welcome back to Startup Hack. I'm Spencer Thomason. Here at Startup Hack, we train software developers in our license coding bootcamp and build custom software solutions for companies. With a decade of executive leadership as a fractional CTO and 25 years of software development experience, I've seen firsthand how critical it is to align ethics and innovation in tech. So let's dive in today, because this is an explosive battle between Meta, Elon Musk, and OpenAI, a clash that's shaking up the AI industry. Let's break it down into some points and explore why this fight matters for the future of technology. So OpenAI, originally founded as a nonprofit, is now trying to shift towards a for-profit model, and not everyone is happy about this. Of course, all of their employees are, because this is how they're going to make a bunch of money, including Sam Altman. This change has raised a lot of concerns about ethics, competition, and control over AI technology. Critics argue that it undermines the original mission of transparency and fairness that OpenAI has built on. Musk, a co-founder of OpenAI, has been vocal about his disapproval, and now Meta is joining into the fight. Allowing a nonprofit to morph into a profit-driven giant without clear oversight is definitely a slippery slope. Now, the implications for AI industry and for society are big. So, this OpenAI transition is definitely sparking a controversy. Now, Mark Zuckerberg's Meta has taken the unusual step of backing Musk's call to block OpenAI's transition. While these two tech titans rarely agree, this issue has brought them together. Meta has sent a formal letter to California's Attorney General urging them to investigate and potentially stop OpenAI's move. This rare alliance shows just how high the stakes are. It's not every day you see Zuckerberg and Musk fighting on the same side of the ring. In fact, if you remember, there'd been threats going back and forth for a while that they were actually going to fight in a ring. But for once, their actually shared interest is protecting the AI industry, and it has overshadowed their usual rivalry. So this is definitely interesting to see them unite on a common goal. Nothing makes friends like a common enemy, right? So Meta's appeal to the California Attorney General is a bold move that highlights the legal and ethical complexities of this case. They argue that OpenAI's transition could create a dangerous precedent, enabling nonprofits to exploit their status before going for profit. This isn't just about OpenAI, it's about setting boundaries for how companies can operate in the future. If the Attorney General intervenes, it could shape the rules for AI and company development and competition moving forward. It's definitely a high-stakes game we're watching here with far-reaching implications. Now, the competitive landscape around AI is huge, and obviously Musk and Zuckerberg have a lot to gain from this, right? The AI industry is already a hotbed of competition, and OpenAI's move could give them an unfair advantage. By leveraging their nonprofit roots, OpenAI gained access to resources and goodwill that for-profit companies don't typically get. Now, turning for-profit could allow them to use those advantages to dominate the market. This is exactly what Meta and Musk are fighting against. They're not just protecting their own turf, which I think there is some of that happening, but they at least are arguing that they're trying to ensure fair playing field for the entire industry. And I do agree with that. I think if you're going to play in business, you got to play by the rules, right? That's why the SEC, IRS, and everybody is involved. But if your company has systems that aren't working together smoothly, just like Musk and Zuckerberg are actually playing nice for once, if you want to get your systems playing nice for once, let us help you out here at Startup Hack. We specialize in connecting systems to run like a well-oiled machine. So check out startuphack.com/Spencer, because we can get you back on track. Now, why Musk is so vocal about this? Elon Musk isn't just a bystander in this story. He co-founded OpenAI to ensure that AI development remains ethical and beneficial for humanity. Now, he's concerned that OpenAI's shift to for-profit goes against its original mission. Musk argues that this transition could prioritize revenue over responsibility, turning AI into a tool for profit rather than progress. His vocal opposition has put a spotlight on the broader ethical challenges of AI. It's not just about OpenAI. It's about keeping AI aligned with its intended purposes. Now, Meta's involvement isn't purely altruistic either, right? It's also a calculated business decision. As a leader in AI, Meta has a vested interest in ensuring OpenAI doesn't gain an outsized competitive advantage. By opposing this move, Meta is protecting its own market position while also advancing the ethical standards. It's a win-win for Zuckerberg's team, but don't be too fooled. It's not just because Zuckerberg is feeling really, altruistic about this, right? This is as much a move about strategy as it is about ethics. But there is an ethical dilemma of profit-driven AI, right? Turning a nonprofit like OpenAI into a profit-driven entity raises serious ethical questions. Critics worry that it could lead to commercialization of AI in a way that prioritizes profits over public good. For an organization that started with the mission of making AI safe and accessible, this is a pretty dramatic shift. So the fear is that other nonprofits might follow suit, exploiting their status before transitioning to for-profit, right? Like this could really hurt those who start at for-profit. So it's a dilemma that highlights the need for some clear rules and accountability in tech. Now, for startups and smaller companies, OpenAI's transition could create new challenges. A for-profit OpenAI with vast resources could dominate the AI market, making it harder for smaller players to even be able to compete. This isn't just an issue for big tech. It's a concern for everyone trying to innovate in the AI space. And we've definitely seen this trend with all open source, and now we're really starting to see it with open source AI. The open source AI guys are having a hard time to compete against these companies that have trillions of dollars to deal with, or at least billions of dollars to build some of these huge models. Meta and Musk's opposition is also about protecting opportunity for startups. In a rapidly evolving industry, fairness is critical for fostering innovation. Now, if your startup needs help connecting systems or navigating the tech landscape, Startup Pack is here to help you out. Check out startuppack.com/Spencer and we can help you set your business up for success. Now, the precedent that this could set is huge, right? If OpenAI's transition goes unchecked, it could open the floodgates for other nonprofits to follow suit. This isn't just about one company. It's about the broader implications for how nonprofits operate in the tech world. The potential for exploitation is huge, and the stakes couldn't be higher. Meta and Musk are raising the alarm because they see the bigger picture. It's not just about today. It's about the future of innovation. Now, the role that government oversight plays here is tricky. This battle highlights the importance of government oversight in the tech industry. Without clear rules, companies can exploit loopholes that harm competition and innovation. Meta's call for intervention is a reminder that regulation plays a crucial role in keeping the industry fair and balanced. The California Attorney General's decision could set a precedence for how similar cases are handled in the future. Now, this is a total AI arms race, and right now, all's fair in love and war. The fight over OpenAI is just one chapter in a larger history of the AI arms race. Companies like Meta, Google, and OpenAI are just absolutely battling for dominance in this field that is reshaping industries and societies. This isn't just about technology, it's about power and influence and data. The stakes are enormous and even more, and every single move is going to matter in this battle. The OpenAI controversy is a reminder of how high the stakes have become, and here we see Musk and Zuckerberg both playing chess, right? So the outcome of this battle will shape OpenAI's future and direction of the AI industry as a whole. If Meta and Musk succeed, it could halt OpenAI's for-profit ambitions and reinforce ethical standards in AI development and ultimately work to slow OpenAI down. If they fail, it could set a new precedent for how nonprofits can transition to for-profit entities. And I think you'll see a lot of this craziness happening, right? And suddenly it will really start to hurt nonprofits because everybody can know they could turn to a for-profit, and that means you're only a nonprofit as long as it serves you, right? So either way, the implications are far-reaching. The tech world is watching closely, and the stakes are super high. Now, what are your thoughts? I'm sure you guys have thoughts, and I love to get your thoughts, so make sure to like and subscribe, and make sure to leave your comments down below because I love to have a great discussion. I answer all the comments myself. Here at Startup Pack, we love to train software developers in our licensed coding boot camps, as well as to build custom software solutions. We've got a really great thing here that we're highlighting, so I want to highlight this. So check this out now.
Want to become a software developer but don't want to spend 4 years in college and rack up massive student loan debts? Think you need technical expertise to get started? Welcome to Startup Hack, a better way to start your software career without student loans and years without income. One-on-one tutoring is included so you never get stuck and have guidance through the whole process. No technical experience is necessary. Learn at your own pace and in your own space. Startup Hack has worked with local state agencies in your area to make it so that quality qualifying students can get the program costs covered entirely, and students can start earning while they learn.
Hi, I'm Jacob, and I completed the full stack development course offered by Startup Hack. One thing setting Startup Hack apart from any other coding bootcamp was the quality of one-on-one tutoring available. All of the projects that we did were challenging and thought-provoking, but left me feeling very accomplished and very prepared for my first job that I was offered just days after completing the program.
Hello, I'm Tom, and I completed the full stack development course offered by Startup Hack, and I must say that it was an excellent experience. The tutors is what set this course apart from others. They were knowledgeable, experienced, and always available to help provide me with guidance and support. Do not hesitate to take advantage of this affordable and efficient software development course.
Complete our 3-month coding bootcamp, gain hands-on experience, and land a paid internship. With 2 years of experience, on average, our graduates are making over $80,000 per year. The 3-month program includes technologies from Microsoft, Google, and Facebook. No debt, just a quick path to earning. Check out startuphack.com to code your future and